Hello, Richard here from EagleSix Airsoft. We're going to be testing this TM M4 CQBR. This one's coming for power upgrade and a little bit more range. So we've done a Prometheus tightbore barrel, the Psionic R hop kit for that barrel, and the EagleSix upgraded M100 spring. And we've tested it on 3.2s. It's overhopping on pretty much anything less than 3.2s, so I'd recommend you use the 3.2s. But obviously it is going a hell of a distance. So it's 275 on 3.2s, so it's right up there on the limit, and we hope you enjoy it. Just going to demonstrate it working now for you. So obviously there's no MOSFET in this one, so make sure you do full complete trigger pulls, you know, that half trigger pull business. There we go, all tested, nice easy one, and we hope you enjoy. Thank you.